is Ellen. So, tatanungin natin siya guys kung saan siya ngayon. Saan ka ngayon? Where are you, Ellen, now?
We are here now. Welcome to Inland Lake with a 7.5 kilometer here in Norge. Then also very big car. Welcome här. So nice and pink weather.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Happy mo yung holiday mo? Anong masasabi mo kay Rosita?
Rosita Egner, she's playing Ismila Dam.
Pwede ba i-Englishin mo? Nang Norwegian ka eh.
Very smart.
Smart. Wow, I'm smart.
And,
Intelligent. Wow.
And, very kind.
And very kind. Wow. Thank you.
Kind-hearted woman I've ever known.
Yes.
Yeah.
How long you know Rosita Egner?
Been for more than 20 years friendship. On and off.
On and off.
Now it's on.
Now it's on. Okay, so you think you can walk 7.5 kilometer around the lake? The challenge. And run, can you run before we run?
Yeah.
And before we don't have stomach, now we have a stomach out. Stomach out. Now we have already stomach out. Talikod, talikod. Pag talikod, wow, ganda. Pag harap-harap. Ay, nako. Talikod ka na lang. Wag na maghaharap. Talikod na lang. Walang maghaharap. Ganda guys, oh. Anong masasabi mo yan?
It's really, it's a breathtaking view.
Ano sabi mo?
Breathtaking view.
Ganda.
Very peace and quiet.
Peace
and quiet and open air somewhere.
Yan, kumakanta pa guys. Tingnan mo yung ano. Makita mo dyan, Ellen. Ano yan? Ganda.
Look like
Rice terraces.
one of the 7 wonders of the world. Rice terraces in Philippines.
Look like. So ganito yung grass lang yan guys. Tapos kukunin niya ng ano, ng yung inaano, yung puti. Tingnan mo, grass lang yan, no? Grass. Para pangkain ng hayop. Mga cows at saka mga ano, lahat cows na mga baka daw. Yeah. Hanggang dulo pataas. Di kaya. Hindi na kaya guys. Yeah. And you can see the view over here. I just, yeah. So, there you go. I click na.